Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you know what is the subconscious mind? The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that works in the background, storing your memories, beliefs, and your emotions, sometimes without you realizing about it. So, when you learn something for the first time, you pay attention to each and everything. But then your subconscious mind takes over and you do that activity without thinking about that too much. So that is your subconscious mind. For example, you brush your teeth daily. So you do it subconsciously. When you get up, when you develop habit for something, for example, you get up early in the morning. So then your subconscious mind helps you and you get up early in the morning. So whatever you do for the first time, you consciously do it. You think about it. But when you do it repeatedly on daily basis, then your subconscious mind takes over and then it becomes easier for you to do that thing because it becomes your habit. So your subconscious mind plays a huge role in developing your habits as well as your beliefs. Now, how can we develop a strong subconscious mind so that it work in our favor? So there are three steps. So what are these three steps? We will talk about it one by one. So the first one is feed feed it with positive inputs. Your subconscious absorb everything you repeatedly say, hear, or think. Replace your negative self-talk and limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts, affirmations, and positive contents. For example, read good books, listen to podcasts, and have mentor in your life. So when you will read books, you will listen, you will watch podcasts, and you will also have mentors in your life. So they will feed you with positive content, with empowering thoughts and affirmations. So therefore, you will develop a powerful subconscious mind. For example, instead of I cannot do this, I cannot learn English, I cannot do this, you should say I am learning daily and I am improving. I am learning daily and I am getting better. So when you develop this belief, so this is called positive self-talk. When you say I am learning and I am getting better with each passing day, and inshallah I will improve myself with the passage of time. So when you talk like this, you are developing a powerful subconscious mind, and then it becomes easier for you to learn that skill, to learn about that topic or that subject, and to improve yourself with the passage of time, and to become the master of that subject. So therefore it is said that feed your mind with positive self-talk. The second step is visualize your goals daily. It is said your subconscious mind, it works best with vivid mental images. Spend, therefore it is said, spend some time uh, thinking about yourself, achieving your goals, and feel the emotion of success. So when you think about your goals and you think about achieving your goals and you visualize it, you think about it, and you also feel the emotion of success or the victory. So you also develop a powerful subconscious mind. For example, some of the students here, they go to the computer academy for a diploma. So they should visualize that one day they will have a diploma in their hand and they will be proud of that and they will be happy for that. So just feel the emotions. So this is how you are developing your subconscious mind. For example, you want to uh, you want to become a fluent English speaker. So just visualize that day when you will speak English fluently. So this is how you will develop a strong or powerful subconscious mind, and then it will become easier for you to come to the class regularly and to practice it with different people and to improve your language with the passage of time. The third one is reprogram through repetition. As you know that your habits and beliefs are formed through repeated thoughts and actions. Whatever come in your mind time and again, it becomes your belief. Whatever you repeatedly do on daily basis, it becomes your habit. So your habits and your beliefs, they are the result of repeated actions. So therefore, you must repeat those behaviors which match your goals until they become automatic. So think about those behavior, those activities, those habits which are important for your goals, for achieving your goals. For example, you want to become a good English speaker, a good English writer. So just think about those behaviors, those activities. For example, coming to this class is one of the behavior, one of the activity. Coming to this class regularly, sitting here, paying attention, asking questions, giving feedback. So these behaviors, actually, you must repeatedly do this behavior, do these activities. So this is how you will develop a powerful subconscious mind. And once you develop a behavior, you repeatedly do a behavior, it becomes automatic for you. Then you don't have to worry about it. You will do it, you will start doing it naturally or easily. So it will become easy for you to develop a skill. It will become easy for you to achieve something in your life. So these three are the main steps for developing a powerful subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind, it holds beliefs, it stores your habits, and it also influences your decisions. So it plays a huge role in your success in life. So therefore, you should always be careful about your actions and your thoughts, and most importantly, what do you hear repeatedly, what people tell you daily, or what you say, what kind of words you use daily, and what you think about daily. So your thoughts, the thoughts of other people who share with you, as well as your words, the words you hear, and your actions, all these that shape your subconscious mind and develop your subconscious mind. So therefore, we must be we should be careful about using positive words, as well as keeping the company of the people who are positive. And we should read good books. We should try to learn good things, good ideas, and we must think about good action, good activities, and we should have positive intentions. So this is how it will shape our life, it will shape our destiny, and then we will become a balanced we will develop a balanced personality, we will grow to our full potential, and we will enjoy our life, and Allah will give us a great reward in this world, in the hereafter.